Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 138. We start with this bottom row. We're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 9. 1 here. So 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 5 here, so 4, 8. 4 and 3 here, so 5, 8. 3 and 8 here, so 4, 5. And that means the only place our 3 can be in that box is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so 2, 7. Same here, 2, 7. 2, 6 here, so 7, 8. 7 here, so 2, 6, 8. So the only place the 6 can be in that box is here. And the only place the 8 can be is here. And that 8 makes this our 4, 5, 8. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 7, but the 4 couldn't be here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this top row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so this is our 7. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 5. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. Got a 4 here, so 1, 9. No help here, 1, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 5, 5 and 8 here, So this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 5. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 7, 1, 7, 9, 1, or 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.